It's been a long day, Your Excellency. Congratulations for presenting your nominations this morning. How are you feeling?
Very well. Very well. Excited by the crowd. I'm excited by the excitement.
What prompted you to choose Dr. Jane Ansah as your running mate?
As I said, first of all, I want somebody who can help me to govern this country. So I want somebody, where we are going now, this country is destroyed. And I want to appoint people who have ability, technocrats to rebuild this country, not just for appeasement. Now, I've worked with her for a long time. I was Minister of Justice when she was Attorney General. So we wrote together a lot of laws together, like Credit Reference Bureau, for example, National ID, we started together. And so besides, she's a person of great integrity, a great believer. I don't know if you know that, but she's also a bishop in our church. And she's a woman of great integrity and God-fearing person and cares about people. So I wanted somebody because I think where we are going, we need to have a government that cares about people.
You also talked of others who were giving you pressure. What kind of pressure were you receiving? Those who wanted to be running mates as well.
Oh, but
there can only be one running mate.
I know, but you know what it's like. I mean, everyone wants something, wants this thing, and so people, sort of try to approach you through maybe third parties, and so that kind of stuff. But it's normal. It's normal. But as I said, I want to have to appoint one person.
How united is the party today?
I don't know after this meeting, but I think it's united. It has really been united since all those other people left. It really has been united. The camps are really gone, and although there are also aspirants, people who wanted to be running mates, so there was that, but that's just competition.
Very lastly, are you optimistic come 16 September, you're going to carry the day?
Oh yeah, absolutely. No question about it.
No question about it?
No question.
We wish you well, Your Excellency.
Just make sure you cover us properly.
Yes, we'll try our best.
Good.
We wish you well, Your Excellency. Thank you very much indeed. Amene ondi Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika kuyankhula pano pa Times Television akuti awina pa 16 September.